everybody. I want to talk to you about a quick little AppleScript and Keyboard Maestro macro that I created a couple of days ago. And it does this. It works with Amphetamine, the application that keeps your Mac awake. So I can click Amphetamine right now to turn it off. Right now it's in the middle of the default session I have set for 4 hours. And here it is. I can turn it off and it's off, and I can turn it back on this way. But this, with the mouse, it takes a little bit of time to always drag your mouse and do it that way. So I've set an AppleScript to do it via the keyboard and Keyboard Maestro. And if you see, well, I don't know how to show you my default, but it is for 4 hours. And yeah, my sessions last for 4 hours. Let's see. Yeah, I just did this one right here, and I can turn it on and off using a Keyboard Maestro macro that's tied to this little command of Option, Command, and Control. And let me turn on Keycaster so you guys can see. Keycaster, here we go. Okay, so here's Keycaster, and I can do a Control, Option, Command, and A. And there it is. It's turned on the Amphetamine. You see the cup right here is filled with coffee, I guess. And now let's take a look at the AppleScript. If I have it as an AppleScript or actually I have it as a file. So we're gonna open downloads, and so we're gonna reveal in Finder. Here, open this one, and then we're gonna go to Studio Scripts and open okay, Amphetamine right here. Allow. Did it not open? Of course it didn't. Okay, let's try that again. So here we go. We're just going to do it from the downloads this time. And then we're going to go to Studio Scripts, and Amphetamine is somewhere here. Here we go. This is a short little AppleScript. Tells the application Amphetamine to start session with option. Duration is 4, and interval is hours. Display sleep allowed equals false. So it won't let the display turn off while the session is going on. And so this is the script that is being run in this macro. And then we'll open Keyboard Maestro and go to Studio Scripts, I believe it is. And here it is, Amphetamine Wake. Yeah, I could have just opened this and you would have seen it. I thought I set Keyboard Maestro to just dropped it in a file, so it shows references the file instead of have the text right here. So this is the AppleScript that is running the Control, Option, Command A shortcut. Okay, and hopefully you guys find it useful. I hope that macro is useful to everybody. And for this little AppleScript, I will have it on my website when the article for this video goes up. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody who might find it useful. And I'll see you all in the next video.